Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on UniFi camera. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Internet Explorer on our PC, and I strongly recommend to open the Explorer and not different browsers. And right here we need to enter this address that I'm pasting in right now. You can see it. I will try to include it in the description of this video for you to copy it. And the next thing is start. Right here you also will need to log in, and the login and password by default should be UMT. And now we can go with the start. You can see the camera preview right here. Let's continue, accept to the license agreement, then rename our camera. It's optional. If you want to do it, you can do it right here. Then change the main language for the camera and also select the time zone. And then we can change the mode between UniFi Protect or Standalone. After that, we can click on continue and our camera should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.